Hey, Miss Drake here coming at you with some video directions for the week. I know it's going to be an unusual week, so I wanted to make sure everybody was on the same page with what we needed to do and when we needed to do it. So first of all, it doesn't matter if you're in third period or fourth period. These video directions for the week are for B days, third and fourth period B days for civics. So this is third period B days page, and of course fourth period B days page. They're pretty much the same thing. I wanted to start out with the schedule first. So there are two announcements. One's the schedule and one's the video directions for the week. So if you click on the schedule, you'll see here for third period, Monday and Tuesday are A days. So check with your A day teacher on Monday. Hope you did that. And then Tuesday, election day. Wonder how that's going to turn out. And then Wednesday, so Wednesday and Thursday are our B days. So there's no Teams meeting on B day on Wednesday. So you're going to complete the assignments listed in Canvas for Wednesday, and we'll take a look at that. Then we return to normal on Thursday. It's a regular scheduled day. So on Thursday, Group 2 would attend school face-to-face, and Group 1 and virtual students are going to meet, if you're in third period, at 11:50 on Teams. And if you're in fourth period, you're going to meet at 12:40. So just to kind of show you that really quickly for fourth period, I've made sure to put 12:40 for our meet time. Then Friday is an A day, so that means there's no specific assignment that I'm going to give you for A day. I'm not going to give you an extra assignment because it's an A day, not a B day on Friday. They're alternating Fridays. It's weird. I know, just go with it. But I do want you to make sure that all the work for the week is complete, and you'll be able to see what that is in just a second. But I am going to do another Teams meeting that's optional on Friday. So if you want to drop in sometime between 1 and 1:30 this Friday, if you have questions, comments, or just want to say hi, come on by. I'll be there. Just waiting for you. So the video directions are here, and of course this is about 6.5 minutes long. And this will be B days instead of A days, but so I just have A day there as a placeholder. So you can watch the video directions, of course. Hopefully you found that because you clicked on it. Where else are you going to click on it at? Anyway, scrolling down, you'll take a look at our regular Canvas page. Again, I'm just using third period. It doesn't matter if it's third or fourth period. So scroll down to our agenda for the week. We're going to continue talking about the Declaration of Independence, Articles of Confederation, state constitutions, and the Constitution of the United States. So on Monday, we don't have class because it's an A day, but check with your A day teachers so you know what you're doing. I hope you did that. And Tuesday, election day. Can't wait to discuss that stuff with you next week. So let's talk about Wednesday. So we're not going to meet on Teams on Wednesday because of the pre-ACT. I'll be giving the pre-ACT that day, so I hope it goes well. So you should complete the assignments that we have listed for today, and if you have questions, please let me know. Send me an email, a remind, message on Canvas, whatever. And so I want you to make sure today you complete the work from last week, and you'll understand the weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. So that's the new content that we're adding. So what are we going to do on Wednesday? Well, you're at home, so you're going to take a look at the Declaration of Independence. You're going to click on that and check to see if you've completed it. Most of you have, but you could always, instead of saying, Ms. Drake, what did I miss? Just click on that and see if you've completed it or not. It'll tell you. Then we're going to work on, again, if you haven't completed it, state constitution questions. You click on that and it'll tell you if you've submitted it. 19 of you have. That means there's a few that still need to submit that, but not very many, so good job. And then we're going to take a look at the discussion post. Now, of course, you should have already made your discussion post, but if you haven't, there's still time to do that. You'll need to do it today. Because I haven't had very many to do that yet, but I'm sure you will today. Okay, so moving along, make your discussion post. The question, of course, is about state governments. If you think that state governments should be able to make laws for their citizens, if it's good for them, even if it's against federal law. And we're going to be talking about that as our unit progresses, as we're talking about the U.S. Constitution. But today's new assignment is on the Articles of Confederation. So if you click there, you'll see that there's a Google Doc that you could click on, and a video. So what I did is I made a video where I went over the entire assignment. So you can, it's about a 25-minute video, so you can listen to that if you want to. So when you click on that, it brings up your assignment. Just make sure, of course, when you complete your assignment, there's the information with the questions at the bottom. You make yourself a copy, and you make sure you click on the share button, and that right here, it should not say restricted. It should say anyone with the link. So be sure that you change that setting to anyone with the link, not restricted, okay? And click done, and you're good to go. Then, taking a look, these are the assignments that you should be turning in for every day. The Declaration of Independence, state constitutions, the discussion post, and of course the Articles of Confederation. On Thursday, we're going to work on reviewing some of the assignments from Wednesday. Face-to-face students will. And then all together, we're going to go over the drag and drop activity. So we'll be doing that. It's a normal day, so that's what you'll submit on Thursday. So everybody who's in class on Thursday during our Teams meeting should turn this in. If you don't, then you are missing a good opportunity to have the time to do the activity and turn it in for a grade. So on Friday, again, Friday is an A day, so it's for A day work, but I want to remind you to finish this week's tasks, and they are all listed here. The Declaration of Independence, the state constitutions, the discussion post, and the Articles of Confederation. And then, of course, Thursday's assignment was the drag and drop review activity. So here's the link for the Teams meeting on Friday. That's optional, so if you don't need to ask any questions, you don't have any questions, fine. If you just want to drop in, if you need some help, that's what it's there for. I'll be there from 1 to 1:30. You can drop in anytime. So that's our plans for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys hopefully on Thursday, and you'll have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.